Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect CZ Dropshipping to your Amazon seller account step by step. This tutorial is perfect if you want to automate product sourcing, fulfillment, and tracking through CZ while selling on Amazon. Before we start, here's what you need: a CZ Dropshipping account, free to sign up, an Amazon Seller Central account, professional plan required for API access, products approved for sale on Amazon, a verified shipping and return address for Amazon compliance. Once you have got that ready, let's jump in. Log into both your Caesar Dropshipping and Amazon Seller Central accounts in separate tabs. You will be connecting the two platforms via the CJ dashboard. Now, first of all, go to cjdropshipping.com, then click register or sign in. If you don't have an account, just click sign up or register or sign up here and click sign in. Now, log into your Amazon Seller Central. Click login or sign up and follow the prompts. Inside CJ, go to the top menu and click on My CJ Authorization. Then click Verify and enter verification code from your email account. From your dashboard, click Authorization. Now, click the Amazon from here. Click Other Platform. Now, select Amazon from the list of platforms. You can add Shopify, TikTok, AliExpress, etc. Then click Authorize. This will redirect you to Amazon Seller Central, where you will be asked to grant CZ access to your seller account via Amazon's MWS API. Accept the terms and click Confirm. You will be redirected back to CZ, and your Amazon store will now show as connected. Next, you can either push CJ products to Amazon, link existing Amazon listings to CJ products. Option 1. Push new products. Go to CJ Marketplace and click Find Products. Then click Connect My Store with your Amazon Seller Central from here, or click on a product like that. Scroll down, then click List. Then select your store name. Choose Amazon as the store. Set the product title, price, and description. tags, then click List it now. CJ will now create the product draft in your Amazon Seller Central account. Option 2. Link existing products. Go to My Products section from the left sidebar. Then Connection. Now find your Amazon product and click Connect to link it with the CJ sourced item. Once your products are linked, CJ can automatically fulfill your Amazon orders. In your CJ dashboard, go to Orders tab, then Imported Order. Here you will see orders that come from Amazon. Check that your shipping information, SKU, and uh, variants are correctly mapped. Once a customer places an order on Amazon, it will show up here, and CJ will begin fulfillment. Make sure your wallet is funded or enable auto payment for seamless processing. After CJ ships after CJ ships the product, the tracking number will automatically sync back to Amazon Seller Central. This keeps your customers informed and helps maintains your account health. You can track status under orders, then disputes or dispatches, or view details in Amazon orders report. Here are a few final tips. Only list items CJ allows for Amazon. Use CJ US warehouses for faster delivery. Make sure your return policy matches Amazon's requirements. Double check product titles and descriptions to stay compliant with Amazon listing rules. And that's it. You have successfully connected CZ Dropshipping to Amazon and are ready to start automating your store. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on connecting CZ to eBay, Etsy, or Shopify next. Thanks for watching.